In front of me is Nokia 9 PureView, and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access System. Now select Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard and Gboard. Then click on Text Correction, scroll down just a bit and tap on this switcher next to Autocorrection. This way you'll turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!